Good day, everybody, welcome to today's video. In today's video, in my 2013 Triump Explorer, as you can see, I got the old signal lights right there, and I'm going to swap them out to these LED perfs right here, which will be a little bit more streamlined. And how did I get to this part right here so we could access it? Well, let's go back and look at that quickly. Able to lift this off, and I can. This has the power. Oh, it does. Surprising. I take this one. It looks like this is going to come off. Perfect. We need to carefully lift this up because it's plugged in. But it doesn't look like it's hooked up. So in order to get these signal lights out, I got a 10 mil wrench in there. You can kind of see a nut that holds these in place. And then I got a 5 mil Allen key right there. We're gonna break it free. Alright, let's make this happen. Drop my wrench in there. Spin this out carefully. Get my fat fingers in there. That's going to be the most difficult part. Okay, see if I can get that, because my sausage fingers are too big. So as you can see, I got this little tiny plug here. I need to disconnect and then carefully pull that through like such. So you can see these are wired into a resistor. Got two blacks, two yellows. Yellows being positive, black being ground. On the light, we got a white and a black. Presumably assume black is ground, white will be a positive. Cut it back enough that in case if I have to put it back together, I can. For demonstration purposes, I'm going to test fit it first. Come back. Plug that in. If I turn on the bike, go right signal. There we go. We're working. Excellent. Let's get these all soldered in. Now the fun begins. I'm gonna fish that through the hole right here. Get my sausage fingers in there. Perfect. And what's nice is I don't have to worry about dropping the nut and washer because they're connected to the wire. And they are 12 millimeter, which I find are really weird. So even with big sausage fingers, I can get these into position. Now I just gotta there we go, one side is done. And I like the smaller ones way better. Now we can change this one out. Same thing with this one here. With my sausage fingers. Let's get this up. Get our washer. And then this is where the fun begins. Both of them are installed. Let's go left. Very nice. Right. Yeah, way better than the other ones.
And there you have it. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions or comments, post them below. Otherwise, I'll see you guys in the next video. I got both sets, front and rear, and it looks good.